Hello and welcome to another video. On April 28th, USD JPY reached 160 at around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time and promptly fell to 159.40, followed by a large decline to 154.51 around 12 a.m. A move of more than 500 pips. There are strong suspicions, but no official confirmation, that Japanese officials intervened to strengthen the sliding yen. However, I think this intervention won't give too much comfort to the deteriorating yen, because we are starting a busy week for the dollar, and I think the dollar will perform well against the yen given the divergence between the Feds and BOJ. Also, market will continue to see JPY as the best funding currency for carry trading because of Japanese lower interest rate. If we go back a bit, Tokyo has warned for weeks that it was prepared to prop up the yen if trading went too volatile. And BOJ's Governor Yura stated recently that central bank would intervene if the impact of the weak yen grew too big to ignore. And this morning, when asked if the bank had launched FX intervention, Japanese top currency official responded, "No comments for now." However, these moves have all the hallmarks of a currency intervention. The 160 level, which markets have been predicting for quite some time now, the abrupt spike in volume, and the sheer magnitude of this move. One key thing to note here is that JPY rise might have been worsened by weaker liquidity circumstances on Monday morning because it's a public holiday in Japan. For the time being, market conditions are generally consistent with those observed on September 22nd, 2022, when Japanese officials intervened with around $20 billion. Back then, USD JPY first decline was about 3.5%, followed by a recovery worth around half of the original move. Shortly later, the pair went below the original low before rebounding. At the end of the day, USD JPY was trading 2 to 3% lower than before the intervention. So I think if we follow this pattern, USD JPY will trade around 158 in the next coming days, because we have a busy week in the US, and hawkish Fed and Friday's job data would put substantial pressure on the yen. So I hope you liked this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.